Tree Made Easy.
Hello, Abusia. Nema wakwa review eba Tree Made Easy so. Welcome back to Tree Made Easy. I am manager P. Sene Oaha. I'm so happy to see you today. Ene yevetua yatenka adisuane so. We are going to continue our lesson on emotions. Why crado? Yen shasie. Kindness. Ayemuye. Courage. Akokudro. Shock. Ahudri. Sickness. Yarie. Selfishness. Pesemin kuminya. I'm courageous. Meye okokudrofo. You are kind. William yepa. I'm shocked. Mehu a dreamy. I'm sick. Me yare. You are selfish. Weye pesamin kuminya. Let's test our knowledge. What emotion is this? Good job. Pesamin kuminya. Waya je. And this emotion? Akokudro. Clap for yourselves. What emotion is this? Ayemuye, waya depa. And what emotion is this? Yarie, good job. And this emotion? Ahudri alim, waya depa. Mumbo munsemama. Yedamwase, yebeshevyo. We shall meet again on the next lesson. Bye.
Aya, de. I am your kindness, we show love every day. Your boy and I'm for that, we help our friends always. Your child, yeah, we share what we have. Your man, child, we say hello. I am me, Adepa. Kindness is a good thing. I think there are many feelings, oh. Yes, yes, you think I be real. We laugh, we cry, we feel emotion. So far, come up, Papa, brother, live with a good heart every day. And God will bless you. I could do a courage, me who then I'm strong. Linsura, dear Bira, I will not fear anything. Sasamba, Regina painting. When trouble comes, I will stand firm. Nia Kokoduro for I'm courageous. I hold you shock. Michelle, I'm a me. I saw it and I'm shocked. Hey, now make I wow. I said, no, yeah, I hold you, this is a shocking situation. Sickness. Me think I say my emmer. I feel weak. Intimate and paswa home kakra. So I will rest in bed a little. Now manu my duro kakra. And take medicine and. Pesamin komenya, medepa. Selfishness is not good. komenya nya de pa. Selfishness is not good. Menya sabioda, I will not do that again. Me no be a beche me nyama. I will share my stuff with others. Na yeni na inyaje, so everyone will be happy.
Thank you for watching. Join our YouTube family. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.